is at the border between now or never. What will you choose? Introducing Action 5 Pro, the most capable action camera we've ever built. Powered by an all-new 1/1.3-inch sensor, Action 5 Pro captures 4K at 120 frames per second and takes stunning 40-megapixel photos in burst mode, so you don't miss a thing. Boasting 13.5 stops of dynamic range, it excels in tough lighting conditions from day to night. And all-new Super Night mode means you can go further into the darkest conditions. Action 5 Pro captures 10-bit color in normal and D-Log-N, delivering phenomenal detail and color accuracy. And it keeps up with you, generating up to 32 times super slow motion. Wow. Action 5 Pro is your smart sidekick, keeping your horizon locked, or automatically centering you in the frame. New larger-than-life OLED touchscreens are bigger and brighter, with incredibly vivid color. A new cold-resistant battery lasts even longer, with its extended 4-hour battery life. Connect directly to two DJI Mic 2s using Osmo Audio.
How far are we from the summit?
Just there, let's go!
Making vlogging easier than ever. Action 5 Pro is waterproof, certified up to 20 meters. See your dive times and depths in real time with Action 5 Pro's enhanced internal pressure sensors and with a finely tuned color temperature sensor. Your footage retains natural underwater hues. Transfer photos and videos with high-speed transfer so you can share instantly. Action 5 Pro tells you how high you are in real time with barometric pressure detection and overlay telemetry data with your preferred data tracking device. It's now or never, and the choice is yours. This is Action 5 Pro. Be all in.
pocket-sized flying camera that the world has come to love. That doesn't require a remote and takes off in seconds. Visual tracking abilities for even better precision tracking.
Hover, take off.
The X1 Pro's new 17mm wide lens and 104-degree field of view creates uniquely dynamic perspectives. And with 4K at 120 frames per second, the X1 Pro Max lets you relive your action shots in all their slow-motion glory. Our tough leather carry case that holds 2 full additional charges, and along with our specially designed Thermo Smart battery, function in temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit. Enjoy lightning transfer speeds with Wi-Fi 6. And the X1 Pro Max now has 8K mode. You get more cinematic possibilities and unrivaled picture quality. With rear obstacle avoidance, you can relax knowing your X1 Pro Max has eyes in the back of its head. You can also transform your beacon into a one-handed joystick for more customized control. And now with Omni Terrain, you can fly over water, snow, or even off a cliff. For a more immersive experience, plug in your phone and use the joystick with 2 hands and screen. With up to 1 kilometer long-range video transmission, you can capture more of you, your friends, and your favorite destinations.